For the rectangle labels, search MR550 from our website in the search bar, and turn to Template page. Choose the format you need and download. Or, you can use Canva templates, no need to download software, design your labels on the web, download and print. For the round lid labels, search MR560 from our website in the search bar, and turn to Template page. Choose the format you need and download. Or, you can use Mr. Label's online design tool to design online. First, check if the paper size is correct. Check paper size under Word print setting, make sure it's letter size or A4 size. Then open Printer Properties. Check document size, make sure it's the correct paper size, letter size or A4 size. Open Options from MS Word. Select Advanced. Scroll down to Print. Uncheck box of Scale Content for A4 or 8.5 by 11 inches paper sizes. Open the Printer dialog box and select Properties or Preferences. Check document size to see if it's the correct size. Then go back to Printer dialog box, select Actual Size under Page Sizing and Handling. If you're experiencing ink smearing, you can try to solve this problem from the following two aspects. First, Ink cartridges types. Second, printing quality settings. First, let's see how cartridges types affect waterproof effect. Inkjet printing is based on two different types of inks, dye-based inks, or pigment-based inks. Dye-based ink will dissolve entirely within the water. Pigmented inks have greater water resistance, so we recommend use pigment-based ink for better waterproof effect. Because the standard print settings are too high, causing oversaturation of the label paper. A common solution is to reduce the quality setting. Open the printer dialog box and select Properties or Preferences. Look for the Print or Quality tab or the Quality or Print Quality option. From there, you can select a lower quality adjustment. Select Advanced tab in the printer dialog box. From here, you can select a lower DPI. Black ink does not dry on glossy printable vinyl. This problem is common for inkjet printing. It is because black pigment inks do not bind well with glossy surfaces. Open the printer dialog box and select Advanced or Preferences. Select the Print as Image box.